Welcome back to another daily Leetcode breakdown. Today we are looking at a fun little string problem called maximum number of balloons. As always, if you get confused at any point, drop a question in the comments and I will reply to help you out. Let's get into it. Here is the problem page, but let me quickly summarize what they actually want us to do in simple terms. We are given a jumbled string of lowercase letters, and our goal is to see how many times we can spell the word balloon using those jumbled characters. The only catch is we can only use each character from the original text once per word we form. The easiest way to think about this is like baking. To bake one cake, you need a very specific recipe. To make one balloon, we need exactly one B, one A, two L's, two O's, and one N. Just like baking, if you have plenty of flour but only one egg, you can only make one cake. We are looking for the limiting factor, or the bottleneck. So the best way to solve this is to just count up all our ingredients first. First, we will go through the string they give us and tally up exactly how many of each letter we have in total. Then, we figure out how many full words we can make based on the letter we have the absolute least of. For the letters B, A, and N, it is a 1-to-1 ratio. But since we need 2 L's and 2 O's per word, we have to divide their total counts by 2 to see how many pairs we have. Let's look at the Python code. We can use a built-in counter tool to easily get the frequencies of all the letters in the text all at once. Then we grab the raw counts for the letters B, A, and N. Notice that for L and O, we use integer division by 2. If we have 3 L's, that is only enough for one word, so 3 divided by 2 gives us 1. Finally, we just return the smallest of those 5 numbers. That is our bottleneck, and the maximum number of words we can form. Here is what the complete function looks like put together. It is very short and clean. What if a letter is missing entirely from the jumbled text? How does the code handle that? If a letter is missing, the counter will just return 0 for that letter, making our minimum value 0. This correctly means we can't form the word at all. Let's quickly trace a small example to see it in action. If we use this longer text, our first step is to tally up the characters we care about. We find 2 B's, 2 A's, 4 L's, 4 O's, and 2 N's. We divide the 4 L's and O's by 2, which gives us 2 pairs of each. The minimum value across all required letters is 2, so we can make 2 balloons. For complexity, the time is order n, where n is the length of the string, because we only iterate through the text once to count the letters. The space is order 1, because our hash map only ever stores at most 26 lowercase English letters, which is a constant size. The main takeaways here are that hash maps or dictionary counters are perfect for counting characters, and you should always look for the limiting factor in problems where you have to build something from parts. As promised, here are the solutions in other languages. If you want to copy and paste this exact code without typing it out, check the link in the description to my website, leetcodeunlocked.com. Here is the Java version, using a simple integer array instead of a hash map to save a little overhead. Next up is the C++ solution, following the exact same logic. And finally, here is how you can write it in JavaScript. Before we wrap up, I want to quickly mention I recently changed the visual format of these videos to be much faster paced based on feedback. Since this channel is narrated by AI and I make these to help myself study faster, I want to make sure they are actually useful to watch. Let me know what you think of this style in the comments, and don't forget to drop any questions about the problem there too. Also, I have a second channel called Leetcode Unlocked, where I am on a mission to post a solution for literally every single problem on the platform. Check it out if you are studying topics outside the daily challenges. If these daily no-fluff guides help you, consider supporting the channel at buymeaboba.com/leetcodedaily. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow for the next problem.